Okay, here's Elizabeth. What do you have in your hands, Elizabeth?
Chapulines.
What is it?
It's chapulines. Trampolines are grasshoppers.
Oh. Okay.
They bounce, bounce, bounce.
Mm.
But some
Are
of them
you gonna
die.
play with it? Oh, that one's already dead?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So what are you
You
gonna do
don't-
with it?
You eat it, not play with it.
Ah, you gonna eat it?
Not play with it.
Yeah.
Because it's not real.
It's not real?
No.
What do you mean? Is that a fake chapulín?
Yeah.
How do you eat it?
Like this. Take a bite.
Say good. Oops, it's crunchy.
Yeah.
Oops, the leg.
The trampolines are good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Spicy.
Spicy.
hmm
And
We have more trampolines of I want to show you. If you want trampolines that I want to eat.
okay. So, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want some more?
I am going to get some more.
Okay.